Justin ate 2 2/5 of a candy bar. Jacob ate 1 1/4 of a different candy bar of the same size. How much candy did they eat together? We're going to have to add these together. I don't know if you can read that equation, but it's 2 2/5 plus 1 1/4. We need a common denominator. It's a big word, or should I say important term. You need to know common denominators. Here, if we think 5, 10, 15, 20. I know that 4 is not going to hit anything until the 20 because it's 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So I can just pretty much multiply these together, 4 times 5. So I'm going to have 2, and then I multiply that, and 8 20ths plus 1 5 20ths. That is going to give me 3 13 20ths. So this answer, how much did they eat together? They ate 3 chocolate bars and 13 20ths. Who ate a larger portion? Well, Justin ate more since he ate 2 2/5. But how much? Well, when we subtract, we already did the work in the first one. 2 8 20ths subtract 1 5 20ths. 2 subtract 1 is 1. 8 subtract 5 is 3 20ths. So he ate 1 3 20ths more than Jacob did. Sandy ate 1 2/3 of a candy bar. John ate 1 1/4. So we're going to be adding these 1 2/3 plus 1 1/4. We need the common denominator. It's going to be 12 in this case. So 1 8 12ths, because I multiplied by 4. I multiply, so it's going to be 1 3 12ths. Now, if you change these to improper fraction first, then you're just going to have it with much larger numbers. I suggest leaving the whole numbers to do the fractions, and then if you need to change them, you do that later. So when we add them together, we're going to get 1 plus 1 is 2. 8 plus 3 is 11 12ths. That doesn't reduce, so that would be my answer. Who ate the larger? Well, we see that 1 2/3 is larger, so Sandy ate more. Sandy ate more, but by how much? 1 8 12ths subtract 1 3 12ths would be just 5 12ths of a different. So Sandy ate 5 12ths more. Challenge question. It's actually pretty similar. We have at a class party, Marie ate 1 5/6 slices of a pizza. Jacob ate 1 3/4 slices. How much pizza did they eat together? So 1 5/6 plus 1 3/4. You need a common denominator. Now, you could multiply 6 and 4 to get to 24, but I know that 6, 12, and then 4, 8, 12, they have a common denominator of 12. So instead of by multiplying them together, I'm going to multiply to make this 12. So it's 1 10 12ths. Multiply this by 3. So this is 1 9 12ths. So adding them together, it would be 2 19 12ths. Then if I simplify this, it's going to be, if I subtract 12, 3 7 12ths is going to be my answer. That would be 3 7 12ths. If you simply multiply them together, 1 5 6 plus 1 3/4, this would be 1 20 24ths plus 1 18 24ths. I would end up with 2 38 24ths. Then if I subtracted, that would be 3 14 24ths. So that's still not the correct answer. It would be 3 14 24ths, but then this would reduce down to 3 7 12ths.